Hey guys, my new camera isn't gonna work out. Sorry about that. Hot chocolate Mizuki. My new camera's not working out because the tablet I used it on is running a little slow at the moment. So I can't use it. And when you guys saw me sweaty and stuff, that was fake. I never went jogging. No, I didn't use water either. I used a special gel called the sweat gel. It actually impulses your body to sweat to make it look. Actors use it. And yeah, I'm a little sick. Sorry about that. I won't be making videos for a while, I don't think. So, yeah, I can see my reflection in my glasses. Peace.